This week you will be sorting your pieces by the TH th sound and the WH wh sound. Before we sort your pieces, we'll need to check out what those pieces are. This is a picture of the color white. This is 13. This is pointing to the line that is thick. Thorn, wheelbarrow, think, whistle, wheat, thermos, whale, whiskers, and thumb. Our first piece, think, has the TH th at the beginning. Whale has the WH wh sound at the beginning. Thick has the TH th sound. Wheelbarrow has the WH wh sound. Thumb has the TH th sound. 13 has the TH th sound. White has the WH wh. Thorn has my TH. Whiskers, I hear the WH wh. Thermos has the TH th sound. Wheat, I hear that WH wh sound. And last, whistle has the WH wh sound. So in the TH section, we have think, thick, 13, thorn, thumb, and thermos. In the WH wh sound, we have whale, white, wheat, wheelbarrow, whiskers, and whistle.